Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need Windows 10 and Excel installed. Once that's confirmed, begin by opening the Start menu and typing Excel in the search field. You do this because Search queries the Start index and returns shortcuts instantly, saving time versus digging through folders. If Excel appears under Apps, right-click to Open or Pin. If it doesn't, proceed to check the Microsoft Store or Program Files. Make sure to note version details shown in the search results, so you know whether you have Office 2016, 2019, or Microsoft 365. Once Excel is visible or it's Excel, exe is located in Program Files, you can create a reliable shortcut. Right-click the executable, choose Send to Desktop, create shortcut, then right-click the desktop shortcut and pin it to Start or the taskbar. Doing this reduces future friction and explains why shortcuts matter for workflow speed. If you have Office 365, sign into your account and install from your portal. Because online installs ensure you get the latest build and correct licensing tied to your account. You should now open Excel and create a new workbook to verify functionality. This confirms file associations and licensing. Next, set XLSX as the default in Settings Apps Default Apps by file type because it streamlines double-click behavior going forward. If Excel doesn't launch or is absent, run Programs and Features Microsoft Office change Quick Repair, and if that fails, use Online Repair or reinstall from your Microsoft account. This troubleshooting sequence resolves corrupted installs and missing shortcuts in most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.